My name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands. This is where you will find me make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Well, today we will be labeling our bath salts that we made the other day, okay? Can't smell it, it's all packaged up. We did the packaging, so now we're up to the labeling. Before we start, I would like to say hello to my old subscribers. Thank you for holding your girl down. I appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, thank you so much for joining Glennceria Loving Hands family. I truly appreciate you. Thank you. Come on, let's get into the video. Make sure you subscribe. I need my viewers to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching me, but I also need you to subscribe to my channel so I can continue to bring you this wonderful content, okay? Let's get into the video. Come on. Okay, here we go. So what you would need, the supplies that you need are a piece of cardstock or just a piece of paper that's harder than a piece of regular sheet of copy paper. You need your labels. This is how I print my labels out. Okay. I use this tag puncher out. I have ribbon. You need ribbon. We have ribbon. Okay. And let me show you this again. You might want to see if you want to buy this one, and I'll show you the top in case you want to take a picture of that. Okay. A ruler if you care to measure your ribbon, hole puncher, and fancy scissors. This is what I use. And a scale. We'll have a scale so we can weigh them. Okay? So it's not, all I do is very simple. All I do is cut out my label with my fancy scissor. How is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is doing great. Okay. The back label, the ingredients that's inside of our bath salts. Very simple. See, everything is handmade. Everything, even down to my labeling, my packaging, everything is handmade. Now I take my piece of cardstock, and this is when you get the craft is 12 by 12. The tags out. You see that? And I go along and punch the tags out. See that? There you go. Just punching the tags out. So now we have our tags. Here we go. We have our tags now. There you go. Cut your label up. Now this is why you see I have no nails on, because Glennceria Loving Hands are always busy. And I actually have to, there we go. It wasn't too bad. Now, I flip my little tag over. I lay the ingredients on the back of the tag. And then the one that has the print, this is where I put the label, the front label. And this is for cold therapy. And then we'll go over the ingredients for each one that we made, okay? All of my all-natural organic bath salts will be posted in my Etsy shop tomorrow. I will send out an Instagram post, so just make sure that you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, because I will post when these go into my Etsy shop, all right? Right here at the tip, you're just gonna put a hole there. Put it in the, see that? Just made a little hole. String, you saying, oh, how much string, Glennceria? So that's why I bought the ruler. Let's see. Maybe 22 inches. So we fold it in half. You're going to bring it through your tag, through the back. Bring the loop through your tag, through the back. Open it up with your fingers and then slide both strings through. There we go. I need some twist ties. Let me get my twist ties. Yeah. I have my bags doubled because I don't want them to dry out. I want them to stay fresh for as long as possible. We twist. Let's move some things out the way so you're able to see much better and clearer. Okay. Don't want you to miss a thing. So we twist our bag. You take your tag. Take your tag. Now you have to hold it because you have your twist tie. You're holding it. And then all you do is tie it from the back. There we go. Hold it tight. And then I'm making a bow. I'm making a bow. And then with that bow, I'm going to put a knot in that bow. So it's really secured and good. There you go. I take my scissor now. Open up my little ribbon part. Slice it open. And now we just make the little curly curls. You just run your ribbon along the blade of your scissor. Don't cut yourself, and you're not doing it hard. And you're just making your little curly curls. And now you have your label. And all this excess bag, what I do is just take it and chop it down. See that? Cut it down some. And now we have our cold therapy. It says cold therapy natural bath salts with organic dried lavender, rose, peppermint, and cinnamon. And rosemary essential. Okay. What we need first, we need our label, our tag. So we have our tag. We have our tag. We have our ingredients to go in the back. And you need your front label. So let's cut off another front label for cold therapy. Here we go. Okay. Let's place our back label on. Have y'all gone over and checked out the Etsy shop? You know I have an Etsy shop. Glennceria Loving Hand on Etsy. You take the S off the hands. Go check it out. Go check it out. Especially when these get over there. They live for a nice pedicure. Do what you want. It's your bath salt. You use it the way you want to use it, right? Absolutely. Okay. Put the hole. Pull our string. We set about 22 inches. I have my ruler here. There we go. Hold it at one end. That's 1, 2. Get your scissors. Nice. All right. Now, fold it in half. We fold it in half. We place the loop from the back. We place in the loop from the back to the front. Bring it through the front. Open the loop. Now you're going to bring the whole, both strings through. And there you go. You have your tag connected to your ribbon. You take your bath salts, tying a knot first. There you go. Now tie a bow. There we go. After I tie my bow, then I tie my bow into a knot. Take my scissors, cut it open. Take our top, measure it up. There we go. Okay. Okay, here we go. Turning it over, we're placing our label. Now we need our hole right at the tip. We take our ribbon, fold it in half. We bring the loop from the back through the hole. Open your loop, bring your both strings through, and here we have our tag. Okay? Here we have our tag. Can you leave me a comment down below if you would like to have like for me to show you how to make a bubble bath version of this that gives you bubbles. Would you like a bath salt that has bubbles, action in it? It gives you some bubbles. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, this is cold therapy here as well. Let's put it on a scale and see how much they weigh. 11.55 ounces. That's how much bath salts you have. 11.55 ounces. And lemongrass, okay? And that's called lemon to my lime. Then we have cold therapy. Cold therapy. So we also have rosemary essential oils, and that's called cold therapy. This will help you open up your sinuses, help you to relax when you have a cold, or just when you just want to use it and just relax your muscles. And this is awakening. And there's no essential oil. And this is called awakening. Insight. You want to meditate, sitting down, relaxing, getting your thoughts together, awakening. I think we did an excellent job. I really do. There we go. Cold therapy. Awakening. Insight. Lemon to my lime. Lemon to my lime. We did a great job. Thank you so much for stopping by, joining me today. I really appreciate that. Listen, have a good day. And I'll see you in the next video. Love you guys. We did it. See you in the next one. Bye-bye now. Y'all take care.